Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download brother DCP-T420W printer driver installations. So guys, only type like this on the Google search box. This is officially website. Okay, brother.in. So you can click on this, right click to new tab. You can go also, this is support, you can install directly to driver. Okay, so this is your motherboard, this is your printer. Scroll down, click to support, then view downloads. Okay, there show the driver, Windows 4 type OS, Windows, Linux and mobile. And if you select like this Windows, so Windows 11, 10, 8, 7 and server, so all the installations process same guys. I have a Windows 11, so that's why I select this one and then click to OK. Okay, this is full driver with software. Okay, so when you printing and when you scanning, like require the software in these setups. If you need to only printer, only driver, so in this, okay, this is for this size 48 and this is 228. Okay, this is your printer firmware, so you have to update this one so you can install and the run from your system. Okay, this is tool, repair tool, uninstall tool, brother eye scanner tool. Okay, and this is management tool. So guys, click on this is full setup, so I guide suggest to click on this and then click to agree to download. Okay, and wait few seconds. Okay, so I already installed this. Okay, so click on this. Okay, and then click to double click, and this is show the extractions. See, drive user and deep, like this P1. Okay, so P1, so just double click to open. Okay, so this is installations, so you have to just right click, this is exe, right click to run as administrator, and after this open like this. Okay, select your installations, select your language, like what you from, then click to next, then I accept. This is software information about that, then next. So guys, there are two type of, you want to install like wireless, this is Wi-Fi, and this is you can connect to local. So that's mean by US to connect your desktop and laptop like that. So what you want, first I show you this one. So now this is finding the printer. Okay, so you have to manual the IP with your printer from the setting. Okay, like this. So firstly this is connect to USB and then, okay, like this, yes, and then next. Connect to cable if you want to install on Wi-Fi. Now this is finding the IP address and machine. So following machine will detect it, selected a machine if you want to install, and then click to refresh. So cancel this, yes, finally back. Now I show you to how to install by USB. So select a USB, then next. So guys, you have to connect to your system to your printer. So now this is finding. Okay, now this is checking the connections from your printer to your system. And then next to install, this is very simple method. Okay, thank you. Next to install it. Okay, you connect to properly with your system to your printer.